Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, your teacher, your friend. So in today's video, I'll be helping you in solving the back exercise questions of the chapter Circulatory System. And the book is Growing Science Class 5, Akshar Publications. And the chapter is Theme 1, Human Body Circulatory System. So this is the chapter. Okay, so let's begin with the back exercise. So first we begin with question 1, that is fill in the blanks. Dash is an organ system in humans and animals that consist of blood vessels, heart and blood. So the answer is circulatory system. Number 2, blood flows through the blood vessels. Question 3, plasma is the liquid part of the blood and is yellowish in color. Number 4, WBC, and the full form is white blood cells, help the body to fight infection. Number 5, platelets help in clotting of blood. Number 6, impure blood from all parts of our body is collected in the right atrium of the heart. Number 7, oxygenated blood is pumped to all parts of the body from the left ventricle. Oxygenated blood is the oxygen rich blood. Okay, it's not the impure blood, it's oxygen rich blood. And 8th, blood flows through veins is in one direction only with the help of valves. So there are 4 valves in our heart. Number 9, pulse rate is the number of heartbeats in 1 minute. So again you can look all the answers, the blanks I have already filled. Okay, so question 2, the short answer questions I'll be telling you later on. First we'll begin with the match the following. Question 4. So cardiovascular is the circulatory system. Okay. Next, blood flows, blood vessels. Immunity is white blood cells. Platelets is clotting of blood. Number 5, blood is 2 each. Number 6, muscle, and the answer is heart. Heart is a muscle. Okay. Number 7, capillaries connect arteries with veins. Number 8, 72 per minute, that is our pulse rate. 72 per minute is our pulse rate. Number 9, oxygenated blood, lungs. Okay, that is the oxygen rich blood. Number 10, auricles and ventricles maintains body temperature. They help in maintaining our body temperature. And the last, human fist, that is our heart size. Okay, so after match the following, let's begin with question 5. Give one word of the following. Let's begin. Question number 5, give one word. Number 1, carries oxygen in the blood, that is hemoglobin. Number 2, present at the junction of veins and arteries, that is capillaries. Number 3, impure blood from all parts of the body collects here, heart. Number 4, oxygen rich blood from the lungs come here, that is left atrium. Number 5, these carry pure blood, artery. Number 6, these allow blood to flow in one direction only, valves. Number 7, helps in the clotting of blood, platelets. Number 8, RBC and WBC are made here, that is bone marrow. Number 9, it is a muscle that acts as a pump, heart. Number 10, the liquid part of the blood, plasma. So Next page, it's a diagram here, show the direction of flow of blood. So this diagram is showing double circulation, and here this is the aorta, main artery, and here it's vena cava, main vein. Okay, so I'm giving you a close look. So this is our superior vena cava, inferior vena cava, aorta. From here the blood supply to all parts of the body. This is our pulmonary artery, this is pulmonary vein, left atrium, right atrium, this is our right ventricle, and so I'm so sorry, this is the left ventricle and right ventricle. Okay, so again the picture based activity, label the different parts of the heart. So this is our aortic valve and this is our left ventricle. Okay, so let's begin with the short answer questions. What does the circulatory system do? So the answer is the circulatory system transports blood and essential substance throughout the body. Or you can give this answer also, the circulatory system transports blood through the blood vessels and carries nutrients and oxygen to all parts of the body. Question number 2, what is blood made up of? So the answer is blood is made up of red blood cells, white blood cells, platelets and plasma. Question number 3, what is the circulatory system made up of? So the answer is the circulatory system is made up of the heart, blood vessels and blood. Question number 4, how does blood carry oxygen? Answer is blood carries oxygen through a protein called hemoglobin found in the red blood cells. We call them RBC also. Okay, the short form RBC, that is red blood cells. Question number 5, what are capillaries? So the answer is capillaries are very thin blood vessels which connect arteries to veins so that the exchange of blood can take place between them. Question number 6, what is the function of the valves in the circulatory system? So the answer is valves in the circulatory system act like doors and open in only one direction, which prevent backflow of blood. This helps in directing the blood flow. The last question, what are the blood vessels? Name the different type of blood vessels. So the answer is blood vessels are tube-like structures through which blood flows. There are 3 types of blood vessels. Number 1, arteries, number 2, veins, and number 3, capillaries. Okay, so with this we end up with the short answer questions, and in my next video I'll be sharing you with the long answer questions, that is question number 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 questions that I'll be sharing in my next video. So thank you so much everyone. I request you again to please kindly subscribe my channel and click on my bell icon to get notified about new videos. Thank you so much. Bye bye.